Alright, anyone who knows me knows that I love printers, and I was actually recently given this Lanier LW310 wide format copier, along with its control computer, which I can't show right now, for free. Not working, and they didn't know how long it had been since it had worked. This thing, we had to disassemble it to get it out of the office that it was in, and I had to reassemble it, and it just got put together all the way right now. We're going to plug it in for the first time. Don't mind the stupid June bug that is flying around my garage. So let us attempt to connect this thing to power. Well, it didn't go bang. Nothing exploded yet, alright. That's the heater. Nothing happened when I kicked the heater on. Turn the printer on. Oop, something happened. Please wait. Who knows if this thing is any kind of good. I know it's out of paper. Kind of interesting. This may be the first life this thing is shown in potentially a decade. I think the last time they had it serviced was like 2006. Self-cleaning. Can we go through the menus while it's doing this? Nope. It just beeped to tell me load paper. I'm going to grab some paper. 8.5 by 11 is what I'm going to put in here, and we're going to see what happens. I can smell the heater. It's very dusty. All right, I have a sheet of paper. Will it take it this way? Bypass. All right, it says it's ready. Let's grab something to copy, huh? Let's see here. Color probably wouldn't be great. That's also too big. Too big. There we go. There's some text. So text side down, but it has text on both sides, so it says copying. Load paper and bypass tray. I think I did. Oop, there it goes, copying. Okay, it came out the back. I did actually print something. Let me pause and move the printer so I can grab it. Oh yeah, it copied it. It did a really crappy job, but dude. I mean, some of this is from the Toshiba being kind of humid, and some of this is probably from this machine being humid, but wow. Look at that. It actually made a copy. Off, please. Okay, I have no idea how to turn this thing off correctly, so we're going to do that and unplug it. Well, there we go. That is a Lanier LW310 doing a copy after who knows how long.